Picture this: a steamy bathroom mirror that instantly clears as you flip a switch. No more foggy mornings or lingering odors. Today, we're diving into the top 5 bathroom exhaust fans that blend powerful ventilation with high-tech features and modern design. Whether you're battling humidity in a cramped space or need that game-changing upgrade for your spa-like retreat, these fans are here to revolutionize your daily routine. Get ready for a review that's as energetic as it is informative, packed with specs, real-life benefits, and installation tips that will turn your bathroom into a breath of fresh air. Number 1. Step into the future of bathroom comfort with the OFANKU 2-in-1 fan, a true dual threat that not only ventilates but also lights up your space. Powered by a robust 32-watt motor spinning at 1500 RPM, it delivers 130 CFM of airflow to quickly eliminate moisture and stubborn odors, keeping your bathroom crisp and clean. The upgraded 16-watt LED generates 1,200 lumens of brilliant light with 3 adjustable color temperatures, letting you tailor the ambience to your mood. Its modern black design fits seamlessly into any decor, and installation is a breeze with its quick brackets that secure a 9.25 inches ceiling opening. Just remember, if your opening is too big, a patch-up might be necessary. Operating at under 1.5 sonas, it's nearly whisper quiet, ensuring peaceful relaxation after your shower. A true game changer. This fan is perfect for homes, offices, or hotels where efficiency meets style. Number 2. Turn your bathroom into a personal concert hall with the OREiN OL005. A fan that's as smart as it is stylish, delivering adjustable airflow at 110 or 160 CFM. It's powerful enough for rooms up to 160 square feet, while operating at just 1.0 son for near-silent performance. The integrated 40-watt motor pairs with a vibrant 1,500 lumens LED light, letting you switch between 3 color temperatures, and even features a dedicated 200 lumens night light for those midnight trips. But the star here is the built-in Bluetooth speaker. Sync your favorite tunes or podcasts for an immersive experience right in your shower. Installation is straightforward with a mounting bracket and a 6-inch duct fit, making it ideal for modern bathrooms with minimal fuss. This hidden gem transforms mundane ventilation into an all-in-one entertainment and comfort system. No more boring mornings for you. Number 3. When functionality meets luxury, you get the GROWNEER fan, a powerhouse that not only ventilates, but also heats your bathroom. Operating at 110 by 160 CFM with an impressively low noise level of 1.0 son, this fan is designed for rooms around 160 square feet. Its dual function comes into play with an integrated heater featuring 2 adjustable temperature settings, ideal for those frosty mornings. The smart shower mode kicks in with 60 minutes of heat, followed by 15 minutes of automatic ventilation to quickly dry out the space post-shower. It boasts a bright 1,500 lumens LED light with 3 color temperatures and an additional 200 lumens night light for safe navigation in the dark. A built-in Bluetooth speaker allows you to sync your favorite tracks, enhancing your shower experience even further. While it packs an impressive list of features, note that the remote control requires 2 AAA batteries, so plan accordingly. Number 4. Elevate your bathroom into a smart haven with the Homewerks 7148-01AX, a tech-forward fan built for modern lifestyles. Offering a powerful 110 CFM and whisper-quiet performance at 1.5 sonas, it's perfect for spaces up to 110 square feet. What makes it truly unique is its integration with Alexa. Simply speak your commands to adjust fan speeds or change the LED lighting's color temperature, which ranges from a cozy 2200K warm white to a crisp 5000K daylight. The built-in Bluetooth speaker, combined with Wi-Fi connectivity via 2.4 GHz, allows for seamless streaming of your favorite playlists. An included wall switch and mobile app provide flexible control, while its sleek, modern design complements any decor. Installation is straightforward with all the necessary mounting hardware provided. ensuring a hassle-free setup. If you're a tech enthusiast seeking convenience and innovation, this fan is your gateway to a smarter, more comfortable bathroom experience. Number 5. Last but not least, meet the Hawkrown fan, a multifunctional marvel that redefines bathroom ventilation. Boasting an impressive 230 CFM, it's built to handle medium to large bathrooms up to 230 square feet, all while maintaining an ultra-quiet performance at only 1.0 zone. Its stepless 3 CCT LED light lets you adjust between 3 color temperatures with smooth, dimmable brightness, and it even includes a 200 lumens night light for added convenience. What sets this fan apart is its built-in Bluetooth speaker paired with 7 customizable RGB LED colors, allowing you to sync music with light modes like ripple, breathing, and music sync, truly turning your bathroom into a mini nightclub. The digital display provides real-time temperature monitoring, ensuring your space remains optimally comfortable. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play option or wiring via terminals, and its sleek design fits perfectly in any modern setting. If these innovative bathroom fans sparked your interest, now's the time to transform your space. Smash that like button, subscribe for more home upgrade reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Check the product links in the description below to explore exclusive deals and further details. Your dream bathroom awaits.